Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and view your progress on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official app store on your mobile phone, open up the app store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by from where we can get started using the application. But keep in mind, to be able to use the application, you're going to need the premium plan or the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time, because the ladder application cannot be used for free. So once you've gotten that going, now we can get started choosing our theme. Right here in the bottom right corner we have the theme section from where we can get started selecting whatever theme we prefer and whose workouts we want to follow, and then we can access the workout page. So to view your progress in the ladder strength training app, you can check your lifetime stats, daily workout history or specific lifting metrics directly on your profile. So you can go to your profile right here in the upper right corner that you're going to go ahead and see from where you can get started with accessing your history, all your past workouts and so on. Alongside this, you're going to have your options right here that you can go and manage what you have done. As you can see, how many workouts, minutes, calories burned and so on. All of that is going to be followable right here, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.